everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So welcome again. So this is my second video on YouTube here, and I don't know why, for some reason the second video again is a house tour. So this is my second house tour in Australia. The first one that I lived in, I've shot a video and I've posted it on YouTube, but the second house that I lived in, and I'm going to be showing you a clip of that very soon. I forgot to shoot the intro and outro for that, and that's why I'm doing it now from my new house. An apartment and a house, I will always remember. This is the first bedroom which my housemate used to be in. This is their bathroom, which is kind of very dirty. Don't think I want to show. This used to be our living room. This is the big ass balcony that we had, and AC and heater. This is where our TV used to be. This is our kitchen. So we had a dishwasher there, then we had an oven, then we had a microwave. They're all Smeg, guys. Can you believe it? All of Smeg. That was Smeg. This was Smeg. And that was Smeg. And it was so beautiful. This was the view. This is another. This is the balcony. Take you to the balcony. So beautiful, it was so big. This is my room. This is what it would look like from outside. This used to be our access to our apartment. If anybody comes in, we could give access from here. ये सारे switches है. फिर ये second bedroom है मेरे एक housemate का, which I don't think I wanna show. But ये हमारा laundry unit था, where we used to keep our washing machine and dryer. And this is very dirty at the moment because it needs a cleaner now. Cleaners are going to come in tomorrow. I'm going to clean this apartment before we hand over our keys to the agent. And this used to be my room. Let's look at it very nicely, leaving a piece of my heart. I have made amazing memories in this room. ये रूम है, एंटर होते ही यहाँ पे मेरा साइड टेबल हुआ करता था, यहाँ पे मेरा मिरर हुआ करता था, एंड देन यहाँ उधर एक स्टैंड हुआ करता था कपड़े का, एंड द क्यूब यूनिट, एंड यू कैन सी चेस्ट ऑफ ड्रॉर्स का मार्क भी पड़ गया है, वो था. एंड यहाँ पे मेरा बेड हुआ करता था, ऊपर एसी, हीटर. द बेस्ट थिंग इज़ इस घर में हर जगह एसी और स्प्लिट एयर कंडीशनर है हर जगह, विच इज़ अमेजिंग, विच इज़ सो अनयूजुअल टू फाइंड, बट इट वॉज़ वेरी नाइस. एंड ये मेरी वार्डरोब थी. ऊपर ऐसे, फिर नीचे ऐसे जगह मेरे सबके मार्क्स भी पड़ गए. लाइक यार बहुत मस्त था यार, अलग ही टाइम था ये घर. बहुत मज़ा किया. द बेड हुआ करता था, क्या सेक्सी था. ये मेरा बाथरूम था, which is so cute. Let me show you. यहाँ पे इसके अंदर मैं शावर लिया करती थी. The best thing and something that I will honestly miss about this bathroom in my new house is कि इसमें हाथ का शावर है, which you can take like use it to take a shower. But मेरे न्यू घर में just ऊपर वाला ये है, which I don't really like. So yeah, I'm going to miss that. And this is a modern bathroom, like so nice. All of that. फिर ये तो टॉयलेट की सीट है. फिर ये है And then I had this, like you can open, like you can keep your thing. Wow, I had this. फिर ये तो बेसिन है नॉर्मल. फिर ये ड्रॉयर था जिसमें हम सब सामान रखते थे हमारे. ये था, इसके पीछे कपड़े टांगती थी मेरे. And that's it. ये था 302. Oh my god.
Giving you a little bit details about that house. So I used to live in Hawthorne before when I moved to Australia for the first time. And uske baad I moved to Bentley East. So Bentley East, no doubt is a really good suburb. It's very safe in there. And I lived in that house for at least like 10 to 11 months, I would say. I don't know exactly kitna time I lived there. But I did live for a very good time, like a good amount of time. And it was really nice. The house was amazing. The house was like recently built a few years ago, so there were like there was everything in the house. Like सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा था. Recently built apartment था. There was inbuilt refrigerator, microwave, oven, and dishwasher and everything. सब कुछ मस्त था. And they're all from SMEC, which is amazing. And घर के अंदर का सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा था, which you will see in the video very soon. I couldn't shoot the video while everything was in, my things were in, because it was really difficult for me to manage the time. But I have shot an empty house tour when we were leaving the house. And yeah, so the apartment was, so now that I don't live in it, I can tell you where exactly it was. So it was just on Center Road, where if you go through Center Road, like the big apartment that you see, that was the apartment I was in. It was really nice, really good view, really good sunset view. I could see city thoda bahut, and then just घर के सामने जो road था वहाँ पे सारी दुकानें थी, grocery shopping and all of the other shops, which was so convenient to get things from. And the public transportation, there were bus stops opposite, and there was a train station just a bit, like a 5 to 10 minutes drive away, the Bentley station. But uske alawa there were no other transportation options like tram stops, because like itne far suburb mein tram stops nahi hai. So that was the main reason of me moving into a new house, because I needed good transportation, kyunki I don't drive, so I need a place with really good transportation, because that's how I commute on an everyday basis, right? So that was the main reason. And uske alawa, to give you a slight bit of an idea of what the rent there was in the market. So it was a 3-bedroom house, fully furnished. It was not furnished, sorry. मतलब घर में सब कुछ था, but it was not furnished. And it was on the 3rd floor, fully furnished house with a really good balcony. The rent was about 3,200 per month. 3,200 something per month, I'm not sure exactly. So which I think is a goodish rent. And yeah, if you'd like to know more about anything that you want to know about in Melbourne or in Australia in general, the rental market, how to find houses, how I found this house, if you want a tour of this house, ke kaise ghar milta hai, how do you apply for a house, or if you want to know anything more, and then just write down in the comments below, and I will try my best to film that video as soon as I can for you all. And if you watched the video so far, and if you think you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And then I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye bye.